Okay, this is how I make dark chocolate peanut butter cups, I guess you'd call. They're very good. Alright, what I do is, first off, I get the 90% cocoa or the 72%, whatever. Okay. These are Sam's Choice. Dark chocolate. Okay, I take 3 of those. Okay, and I'll put them in a double boiler. This is just an old pot with water in it, and then I'll put my chocolate in. And I'll just break it up in little pieces, drop it in there. And next, I add a big spoon of Smucker's natural creamy peanut butter and a big spoon of almond butter. Okay? And also, I'll put 4 of these. This is a peanut butter cup. Oh, they're sugar-free. Okay, I'll put 4 of these in there. Okay. And then I'll show you what I do next. Okay, I got the 4 bars of chocolate, Atkins peanut butter cups, I should say, and 3 bars of the dark chocolate. And then I take a big tablespoon of the almond butter and also peanut butter, and I have them in the pot. And I slowly put the heat on them. When the water starts boiling, I usually turn it off and I just let it sit there. And of course I stir it up good. And then I'm going to pour them into some ice trays. Still has a few lumps in it. We'll let it just sit in the heat. Not getting in a hurry. If you want the benefits of dark chocolate and you want it to taste better, like I said, this is what I do. Now once the lumps are out of here, we're going to take it and I'm going to pour them in these ice trays. Okay, so you'll end up with these. What I like about these ice trays, you just push the back. You don't twist them like the old type ice tray. You just push this and it'll pop out. And I'll have enough to fill 1 ice tray. Plus I have this. I'll fill 2 of these about maybe half full, maybe not quite. That'll make a big chocolate bar. Okay, then I'll take this, let them cool here on the counter for a while. Then I'll take them and put them in the refrigerator, in the freezer, for about 45 minutes to an hour or so. Then I'll pop them out and I'll put them in little Ziploc bags, and I'll put 6 maybe in a Ziploc bag, and then I'll put them in the refrigerator. You got to keep them in the refrigerator. And they're very good. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to finish melting it. And then we're going to pour it into the trays. It's still got lumps in it. The peanut butter's in there, the almond butter's in there. The Atkins peanut butter cups, 4 of them in there, and 3 bars of dark chocolate. This way you get your dark chocolate, the benefits of dark chocolate, and you and it tastes better than dark chocolate. Although I don't mind dark chocolate, but this really adds a lot of flavor to it. Okay, everything's pretty much melted. Some of the Reese's cups, not Reese's cups, the Atkins peanut butter cups, you'll find little chunks. I could sit here and smash them, but I got most. It's pretty good. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour it into my trays. Just be careful if you can. It's okay if you missed it. There's the little chunks. That won't hurt anything. Okay. And what I'll do, I'll let it sit here for a half hour or so. I'll fill that up a little too much. We're going to let it sit here a half hour or so, and then we're going to, that's about how you want to do them, like that one. And this thing is at an angle. My ice tray is at an angle. So you pretty much get the idea. In the refrigerator about 45 minutes. In the freezer, I should say. Okay. And all you gotta do is push these and push them out. And then I'll put them in freezer bags. Oh, these aren't freezer bags, they're sandwich bags. And I stick them in the refrigerator. Not in the freezer, in the refrigerator. And they're pretty hard. They're just hard and quicker if you put them in the freezer. I'll put like 6 in a bag, and that's it, pretty much it. Okay, we got another thing. What we do now, we don't use the double boiler with the water. We just turn this off. You're very careful with the heat. You turn it off. Just let it heat a little bit and turn it off. That's what I'm trying to say. And we do a large spoon of peanut butter. Actually 2 spoons of this large spoon. This size. 2 spoons of almond butter. And we get 5 of these. Okay. And 5 of these peanut butter cups. And it makes 2 trays. Alright, so what we do is we take the chocolate and we turn the fire off. It's off right now. Let it melt for just a little while, and then we turn the fire off. Don't leave the fire on long because it'll burn. And we don't use the water in a double boil. And it works great.